I'm a junior at Tampa Prep, and this is the program that I created on our Mac Pro for HTC Vive. The inspiration came from sophomore year in my chemistry class when they were teaching us organic chemistry. I got a little bit confused with representing 3D molecules on a 2D piece of paper, so I went ahead and created this program which allows the user to select one of the 8 most commonly used atoms in organic chemistry and go ahead and put them in the world, make bonds in between them, twist the atoms, scale it up, and actually look at the molecule on what you would actually see, if you were the size of a microscopic little ant. If I go ahead and show you the program here, it's fairly simple. We just have the left-hand controller here, a big menu to kind of tell the user how it works, and the right-hand controller is actually sitting there right inside of it, but once the program starts, they separate onto your left and right hand. Go ahead and bring up the code here. It's not too much. It comes out to just under 400 lines. And pretty much all it's handling is just the different game events that are going on in the actual application. And if I go ahead and build the program, I can show you what it looks like in the Vive. So as you can see, it's going to go ahead and boot up real quick, and if I move my controllers into the view of the sensors, we get our left-hand menu and our right-hand laser pointer, where we can select carbon, nitrogen, sulfur, any of these 8 atoms, place them in the world, bond them together, and actually rotate and look around them. We can trash our whole scene, or we can choose our bond type and bond the different atoms together.